So let us implement stack using linked list, and this is the plain vanilla linked list code where we had different functions. So basically we had seen that a stack using linked list is simply let me get to that picture. A stack using linked list is simply a linked list only. Instead of head we call top, and the insert at begin function we call push, and insert at delete from begin function we call pop. That's all. So possibly if that is true, then we can just rename certain things and we will be done. So insert at begin we will call it push. So I will in the entire code replace insert at begin with push globally. That's my push function. And then delete at begin I will start calling pop. So I will again substitute 1 comma dollar substitute delete at begin to pop slash g. Okay, so popped. Okay, what else? The head, instead of head we can call it top, because we can just rename it to top. So we can say 1 comma dollar substitute head with top. So let me be interactive for a while, and it looks kind of okay, so I will say a. Okay, so basically we have renamed head to top, insert at begin to push, delete at begin to pop, and actually that's it. Actually we have just got the stack now. So our top is basically the pointer to node, and this is how we push, and this display is just for debugging. We never iterate through the stack that way, and we are popping a number of times. So let's see if it compiles. We have just renamed certain functions, so there is no reason it should not compile. Let's see. So let me compile. And it has this many pushed and then popping. So we were pushing when we pushed elements. We pushed elements like 10 first, then 20, then 30, then 40. So we are pushing it by insert at begin logic, and when we are popping we are removing from the beginning. So we pop 40, 30, 20, 10, and if it is empty list and we pop, there is safety check and it is working. So basically it is extremely simple. Stack using linked list is nothing but a linked list having insert at begin and delete at begin function. It's as simple as that.